Good morning from the Travel World Online newsroom. I am Anika. Today, we bring you the top developments shaping the global travel and hospitality landscape. Here are the highlights of the day. Make My Trip revolutionizes room flexibility with guaranteed early check-in and late check-out. Air India launches its historic Easy Connect service from Varanasi, bypassing Delhi immigration queues. Global buyers show resounding faith in Thailand at TTM Plus 2026. Asego brings together next-generation travel leaders in Mumbai. The Surya New Delhi becomes first Indian hotel to offer eSIM connectivity for international guests. And TriFed launches RISA to take India's rich tribal heritage global. Now, the news in detail. In a major industry first, online travel giant Make My Trip has converted hotel flexibility into a structured travel product. The OTA has launched guaranteed early check-in and late checkout add-ons across more than 11,000 properties globally. With data revealing over 50% of travelers arrive before 9 a.m. or leave after 3 p.m., this feature eliminates hotel lobby waiting times. By standardizing pre-confirmed rooms in 3 to 9-hour windows, Make My Trip is shifting the sector's focus from mere inventory pricing to high-value traveler convenience. Air India is set to drastically simplify international travel from Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. Starting June 25th, the airline will roll out its Easy Connect hub and spoke service from Varanasi. Passengers heading to 17 international destinations can now complete baggage check-in and crucial immigration formalities right at Varanasi airport. This brilliant operational shift allows travelers to transit through Delhi as international passengers, completely bypassing the capital's notorious immigration queues. Despite global economic shifts, Thailand's tourism sector has scored a major vote of confidence. The Thailand Travel Mart Plus 2026 in Pattaya wrapped up with a stellar 5.7% increase in international buyer participation. This year's event focused on high-value wellness and sustainable travel under the theme Healing is the New Luxury. Notably, long-haul market demand soared, with the Americas now making up 15% of total buyers, reinforcing Thailand's resilient position as a premier global destination. Moving to Mumbai, travel ancillary leader Asego has created a unique roadmap for the future of Indian travel. The company hosted the inaugural edition of Built and Beyond, a collaborative conversation series led by CEO Dev Karwat. The forum brought together prominent next-generation entrepreneurs from top legacy travel brands. Moving away from traditional market competition, these young leaders emphasize digital transformation and peer-to-peer collaboration to collectively build a resilient future network for the Indian travel trade. Finally, the Ministry of Tribal Affairs has officially launched RISA Timeless Tribal, a dedicated premium brand designed to take authentic Indian tribal crafts to luxury global markets. The first exclusive store has opened at New Delhi's Rajiv Gandhi Handicrafts Bhavan. Backed by top Indian designers, the project elevates iconic weaving traditions like Assam's Muga silk and Ladakh's Pashmina. Experts note that this premium branding will support artisan livelihoods and also trigger massive interest in domestic cultural tourism. In a groundbreaking tech-driven move, the Surya New Delhi has become the very first hotel in India to offer instant eSIM connectivity for international guests. Partnering with global connectivity company Zoroarm, the hotel allows foreign travelers to activate local mobile data instantly while keeping their original phone numbers. By eliminating the classic travel headache of long paperwork and local SIM card queues at the airport, this pioneer initiative signals a major shift where premium hotels are now actively competing on the strength of their digital ecosystems. And with that, we wrap up this morning's bulletin. Keep watching Travel World Online for more comprehensive updates from across the globe. Have a wonderful day ahead.
You are watching Travel World Online.